M1 ഫണ്ടമെന്റൽ ഇലക്ട്രിക് സർക്യൂട്ടിന്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് പോർഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് M13 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ദ പ്രൊസീജിയർ ടു സോൾവ് ദ വേരിയസ് നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് തിയറമാണ്. പ്രൊസീജിയർ ആണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത്. അതിൽ ആദ്യത്തെ പ്രൊസീജിയർ നമ്മൾ നോക്കുന്നത് പ്രൊസീജിയർ ടു നോട്ടൻസ് എ ഗിവൺ സർക്യൂട്ട്. Remove the resistance, if any, across two given terminals and put the terminal short terminal A and B. Second, compute short circuit current. 3. Remove energy source, voltage source by short and current source by open. And open terminal A and B. Find the Norton resistance of network as seen from the two terminal A and B. Draw the Norton equivalent circuit by connecting the current source value IC in parallel across Norton resistance Rn. Compute the equivalent circuit. Next one is explain the Thevenin procedure of Theveninize a circuit. The step 1, remove load resistance, if any, between the terminal A and B should be open. Determine the open circuit voltage across the open terminal. Remove the all energy sources, voltage source by short and current source by open. Step 4, find the Thevenin equivalent resistance of a source side looking through the open circuit the load terminal A and B. Draw the Thevenin equivalent circuit by connecting voltage VOC in series with Thevenin resistance RTH. Reconnect the load resistance across the load terminal. Then calculate if you need calculate the load current through the load resistance. Write the procedure for Norton superposition. The superposition to a circuit. Superposition theorem to a circuit. 1. Remove all voltage sources and current source. Voltage source by short and current source by open, except one source is retained there. Then calculate the current through each resistor. Step 3, repeat step 1 and 2. Calculate current through each resistor by using one source except the previous one. The step 4, add all current through each resistors, thus find using step 1 and 2. Thank you for watching this video.